The third pillar of sales generation is actually whatever you are using to satisfy them in the first place, and that is your offer, your high quality offer to satisfy these people. You don't just want to get people to have high hopes about whatever you have for them. You actually want to deliver a high quality offer. It is this offer that will meet with their target audience and get them to eventually trust you and buy more from you the next time you are selling to them. And you must convert these leads into customers with your high quality offer. Your offer can be your front end offer, and as you grow, you can keep adding, stacking up offers, your upsells, because with that fisherman might need big fishes, but the fisherman could have caught small fish. So what will the fisherman do? Of course, the fisherman will keep feeding the fish until the fish grow into the large size that he or she wants. So that's what you do with your offer. If you satisfy your customer with the present offer that you have, your customer will be satisfied and will be ready to buy your high ticket offer when you offer that to your customer.